Welcome to Growing Old. Old school, new packaging.
We're growing old, a name you'll hear around. 'Cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows. Washing green.
Well, okay, so now what we got to do is, because we're going to harvest those autos this week, what I need is I got to get replacements for them. And because it's late in the year, we have to go with autos again. And if you've seen a previous video, when I'm talking old school, to germinate these seeds, what I would do is have my jar with some water, a paper towel, and a plastic bag. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go new tech, because we saw this thing a while back and we didn't get a chance to use it because when we started out, we used the method I always use, and then we moved to this because we found it online. And it's a can, and with it, it comes with a lot of neat stuff. You get, you get some filters, and you'll see how those are used later. You know, everybody's into slaps. You get a couple of can slaps and a neat little bag. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take and we're gonna put this together. And of course, you just take it apart, and I've already previously taken it apart. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to put a paper filter in there at the bottom. And then this thing is all worked around, like this is space 1, so that you can count where you've got your seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you just take and you gotta line it up like this. And then we just push that down in there. So there, now we've got a filter in there, and we've got this placed in there. Now the second thing we need, and it also comes with a card so you can write down what seeds are in which spot. And importantly, you get this cute little heating pad that we're gonna use, and I'll tell you about that here in a bit. But now we got to get our seeds in there. And what we decided to do is we're going to go with seeds that we've received from previous giveaways. And we're going to go with autos. And the first giveaway that we ever won anything in was a giveaway that was hosted by The Growing Goat. And what we did there, what we won there, were we won some autos. We won some photos, but I can only grow autos. So we want some autos, and these are Blue Dream from Fat Buds. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to pop 3 of these, because what always happens is I want 2 of them, but if I only do 2 seeds, I wind up with 1. If I do 3, I'll wind up with all 3. So we're gonna go with these. And then we also entered a turkey shoot, and that was a Fat Buds turkey shoot. And we won some seeds there. And this is what we won there. And these are the Crazy Black Girls. And I want to grow one of these because we've seen on his channel how it grows. And then just the other day, I was looking at a Z-Buds video, and he was comparing, he had just planted them, and he had all these growing over here, and they were about this tall, and then the Crazy Black Girls that were next to him were like this tall, and he said he planted them all at the same time. So I want to check that out. And then finally, we're going to grow a couple of these wedding cakes, because we gave these away in a previous giveaway, and we'd like to grow what we're giving away. So let's get setting these up. So what you want to do is you need to fill this up. Well, filled up. You need to put water in it. And it's got a little notch down here that there's two notches. One's a real long notch here and one's a little short notch. And this is kind of where you want to fill your water to, or just below that. So we'll put some water in there. And I think that's probably going to be enough there. And see, right now, what we've got is this, in this fancy packaging, is taking the place of this jar. Okay, so now I know where I want everything to go, and I put down 2 wedding cakes, and I wanted them to go into slot 1. There's my 2 wedding cakes. Now I'm saying I want the Blue Dream. I'll put that in spot 3. And I'm gonna put 3 seeds in there. So we're gonna take these 3, and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, put them right here. It says 3 right there on the side. We'll put these 3 in there. And then finally, I'm gonna put 2 crazy black girls right down here in spot 5. So now we've got our seeds in there. We've remembered to mark them down on our chart. Now what I wanna do is I'm gonna take this, then I'm gonna line up. Remember I said there was a tall notch and a short notch. Let's just spin that around, and we wanna line up spot 1 with this long spot here with the long notch. Put it down in there, and boom. Click it in. Careful not to push a lot of water out. And then you might want to just poke your seeds a little bit, see if they'll go down. And then we just leave them like that. And we take this and we close it up. Again, right now, this is sitting and it's become this. Our next step will be, I'll take it in, we'll put it in a dark place. I'm gonna put it in one of my little tiny tents. And we'll put this on top and we'll plug this in and we'll turn it on, and your temperature range is 75 to 85 degrees. But what you want to do with this is set it to 85 degrees so that you can get to that temperature. And it says run it 16 to 24 hours. I'll leave it on until tomorrow morning, and then I'll unplug it. And what I'll do is I'll check on the seeds and see if there's any tails. I'll empty the water. I'll put it back in. I'll put this all back together, and then we'll see if we get long tails in a couple of days. Okay, so it's been a day since we submerged these in water, which everything going on right now is just like your old school jar. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna check it out. Okay, so these are looking pretty good. And I have my list of the positions that they're in. And if we look up in here, this is my wedding cake, my Blue Dream, and this down here would be the crazy black girls. Now what we need to do is we have to pull this out because we're going to drain the water. And if you think back to old school, what I'm doing now, because what you've got underneath there is some of these white filters. So basically what I'm doing now by pulling these out is I'm just taking the seeds out of the jar and pouring them into the paper towel, which is what that's acting as. And we'll dump that water out in the bucket. We'll give it a quick dry. Now we're going to take this and again, let's line up the notch with the number 1 position. We place it in there. And now we're going to cover it. We're going to close that up. So basically what we've done there is we've basically got the seeds like this, and by closing that up, you've taken an old school, you've put them in your bag. So now what I'll do is I'll put these away in the dark place, same place I had them before, but you don't want to put them on the heating pad again. And by the looks of those, I'm thinking tomorrow we'll be putting them in the soil. And that's when we'll get to use these seed huggers. And can, that's where we get these seed huggers. So we'll get these put in soil next. Thank you, and thanks to all of our subscribers.